Okay, so today we're finishing our lesson on community helpers. We are talking about firefighters. Does anybody know what a firefighter is? What is a firefighter? A person who fights fires. Good job. This is a firefighter. What do we notice about this picture? What do you notice about this picture?
He has a lot of gear.
He has a lot of gear on. That is correct. His gear does what? What does his gear do? It protects him. Good job. His gear protects him and it allows him to do his job as well as stay safe. Good job. Stay safe. So what we're going to do today is we're going to label him and his gear in order for us to come back to and make references when we are doing our workbook. Do you guys understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's talk about this. What is this?
His hat.
His hat or his helmet. What does his helmet do? What does his helmet do? It protects his
head.
Good job. It protects his head. Do we know what this is?
No.
This is his mask. Everybody say mask.
Mask.
It protects his face. His mask is hooked to this. This is his
Oxygen tank.
Good job. It's his
Oxygen.
oxygen tank. This is his
Oxygen tank.
tank of air. This is how he breathes in the fire in order to rescue you. Okay, what is this?
An axe.
His
Axe.
what do you think his axe is for?
Cutting down trees.
Maybe. What else? What if he can't get into a building?
He break it down.
He can hit it with his axe, right? Good job. Look at this. What is this?
A light.
It's a light. Why would you think he would have a light?
To see it dark.
To be able to see.
Dark.
Good job. Okay, what is this that he has on?
A suit.
It's a suit.
Why are you calling on me? I'm moving my hand.
This is his suit. His suit protects his
Body.
Good job, you guys. Do we see anything else that we can label?
Yes.
What about this?
His shoes.
He has boots on.
They're fireproof.
His boots protect his
Feet.
Does he have shoes on like I have on?
No.
No, he doesn't have these
Those
tennis
shoes are
shoes on. These tennis shoes would burn, right? He has shoes that are fire resistant. Everybody say fire resistant.
Fire resistant.
That means that the fire is not going to burn it. Okay, now, do you know how we get a firefighter to our house?
Call the fire. 911.
We call what?
911.
911. We've already talked about our police officers. When we call 911, our police officers come, and then our firefighters come. They come and make sure that we are
safe.
What time? When do they come? They come and make sure that we are safe. Good job. Yes, London.
No, you call 911, you tell them the situation, and then they'll decide if you need firefighters, police, or ambulance. And if they don't know what just happened, they send all three. They don't just send someone.
They do. They normally send all three, the firefighters, the police officers, and an ambulance because they want to make sure that you are safe.
I call it
Good
the
job.
medical.
Okay, now that we have labeled our picture,
I call it pain.
we can use it as a reference when we come back and we label our firefighter. Look, our firefighter has his light. Do we have a light here?
Yes.
He has a helmet. Do we have a helmet here?
Yes.
He has gloves. Oh, do we we have gloves here?
Yeah.
We didn't label our gloves. Let's label our gloves. Look. Good job, you guys. What does he have?
Boots.
Boots. Did we label our boots?
Yes.
Yes. What else could you draw on our picture and label to match?
Face.
The axe. Good job. We could label our axe. Okay. We're going to get ready to move into our seats so that we can start our worksheet. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Is it